Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will share how you can get virtual cards that you can use for free trials completely for free. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. Open your browser and search for checker.top. Click on this website. Click on the card generator. Select any one of the bins. Click on Generate Cards. You'll receive multiple card details, but many of them won't work. To see the working card, copy all of the details and head over to the card validator. Paste it here and click on Start. Now only use the live one. Also, this may not work on the trials that require some balance, but it works on the most. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.